Creating the perfect workspace in 2025 is all about having the right gadgets that make your work smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're working from home or at the office, having the best tools can really make a difference. I have listed the best 20 gadgets that can help you boost your productivity and keep your setup looking clean and organized. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So, let's get into it. Elgato Stream Deck. 15 customizable LCD keys provide seamless control over apps, tools, and platforms. Effortlessly trigger actions, adjust audio, launch social posts, or activate lights with one-touch operation, all while receiving visual feedback for precise execution. Its powerful plugins support platforms like Elgato for KCU, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, and Spotify. Enhance productivity with hotkey actions that simplify tasks in film editing, music production, and photography workflows, offering endless possibilities for content creation. Dartle Wireless Laser Keyboard. Enjoy the convenience of a full-size keyboard and wireless mouse, designed for effortless typing with precision touchpad capabilities. Compatible with Android and iOS devices supporting Bluetooth 3.0 or higher, it provides desktop-level functionality anywhere. The wireless Bluetooth connection ensures a smooth experience with a long-lasting battery offering up to 2 hours of continuous use. Its compact, lightweight design makes it the perfect travel companion for busy professionals on the go. Amstabler Standing Desk. Featuring an adjustable height range from 31 to 43 inches, this ergonomic desk promotes a healthier work environment by encouraging a balance between sitting and standing. Its spacious 32 inches length and 16 inches width desktop provides ample workspace for various activities. With full lockable rollers for easy movement and position fixing, it's perfect for walking pads, writing, gaming, and more. The upgraded anti-moving design supports up to 200 pounds, offering durability and versatility for everyday use. Dockman Pencil Holder for Desk. The 360 degrees rotating design of this desk organizer ensures easy access to stored items while keeping your workspace tidy. Despite its compact size of 5.8 by 4.8 inches, it offers generous storage for pens, pencils, highlighters, markers, and more. With 5 independent slots, it also functions as an elegant makeup brush or cosmetics holder, enhancing your office or home decor with a touch of sophistication. A perfect, practical gift for anyone. Kojam Laptop Monitor Extender. Featuring a 13-inch 2K IPS display with 1440p resolution, 330 nits brightness, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, this monitor extender offers stunning visual clarity and accurate color rendering. Designed for 13 to 17 inches laptops, it provides effortless plug-and-play functionality via USB-C or HDMI connections. The lightweight, portable design enhances productivity by supporting multitasking and remote work. Customizable settings and 180 degrees rotation enable a personalized viewing experience for professionals and gamers alike. PegZone Desk Side Storage Organizer. Efficiently utilize space with this premium metal under-desk organizer featuring versatile pegboard accessories. Designed for storing laptops, tablets, notebooks, and stationery, it effectively reduces desktop clutter. Compatible with most flat-edge desks, it securely clamps onto surfaces between 0.4 to 2.2 inches thick, with a load capacity of 22 pounds. The anti-slip silicone pads and rounded corners ensure device protection, while ventilation holes prevent overheating for optimal performance. Boogie Board LCD Writing Tablet. Reduce paper waste with this eco-friendly writing tablet, offering vibrant green writing on a sleek, reusable LCD surface. Ideal for students and professionals, it promotes focused productivity by simplifying note-taking and minimizing distractions. Instantly save notes using the Blackboard app, which allows exporting as PDF or JPEG for seamless organization. With its always-on dark mode functionality, this innovative notebook is ready to capture inspiration whenever it strikes. BenQ Screen Bar. Experience enhanced eye comfort with integrated backlighting that reduces glare and promotes optimal brightness. 3 adjustable eye care modes, front, back, and back light, cater to various activities, from work to relaxation. The smart wireless controller provides over 100 stepless levels of brightness and color temperature adjustments. Space-saving USB-powered design with a patented clip fits most monitors, making it a sleek addition to any workspace while preserving valuable desk space. TSJ Office Small Glass Desktop Whiteboard. Maximize your workspace with this elegantly designed desktop whiteboard, positioned perfectly between your keyboard and monitor. Its durable temple glass surface ensures smooth writing and easy wiping, maintaining a pristine appearance. With hidden storage drawers and accessory trays, it efficiently organizes markers, erasers, and other essentials. Ideal for brainstorming, note-taking, or serving as a keyboard stand, this compact whiteboard makes a thoughtful and practical gift for all ages. YSAGI Leather Desk Pad Protector. Crafted from durable PU leather, this desk pad offers reliable protection against scratches, stains, spills, and heat while providing a smooth, comfortable surface for writing, typing, and using a mouse. Its large size doubles as an elegant, professional-looking mouse pad. The non-slip suede base ensures excellent friction resistance, enhancing stability during use. Effortless to clean and available in multiple colors, it's the perfect addition to any office or study space. Telesin Phone Holder for Desk. Featuring a heavy-duty base and N52 magnets, the phone holder offers excellent stability and secure attachment for tablets and smartphones. Its aluminum alloy rod body, metal housing shaft, and square metal base provide durability and elegance, supporting devices up to 3 pounds. With a non-slip EVA pad, it prevents scratches and ensures stability during use. Ideal for watching videos, FaceTiming, or live streaming, this stand ensures seamless accessibility and device safety. Pnyanhua Floating Wall Desk. Designed with functionality in mind, the wall-mounted desk offers 8 open cabinets and a 6-tier shelf for organized storage. Its sleek, scratch-resistant plywood construction ensures durability, with rounded corners enhancing safety. Effortless assembly and installation provide reliable stability, making it a versatile workstation suitable for various tasks. Whether used for working, studying, or creative activities, this desk offers a comfortable, efficient, and clutter-free space that complements any home or office setting. Kisaplab Large Cork Bulletin Board. Offering a stylish alternative to traditional bulletin boards, the customizable felt board is made from eco-friendly, high-density recycled polyester. It provides a practical, lightweight, and chip-free solution for displaying notes, photos, calendars, and more. With easy installation and removal thanks to strong acrylic adhesive tabs, it's perfect for home, office, or school use. Its versatile design also reduces noise and protects walls, making it a functional and decorative display board. Post-it Note Dispenser. Combining style and practicality, the vertical post-it note dispenser features a sleek black and gray geometric design that keeps your workspace organized. Effortlessly access 3x3 sticky notes with its 1x1 pop-up system, making note-taking a breeze. Included with a 45-sheet aqua splash pad, it's compatible with standard-sized post-it notes. Ideal for both home and office environments, this stylish dispenser helps declutter your desk while enhancing productivity and accessibility. D-Line Cable Management Box. Providing an elegant solution to cable clutter, the cable management box effectively conceals power strips and cords, enhancing workspace aesthetics. Its durable, electrically safe ABS plastic construction ensures protection against curious pets and children. Featuring curved edges, pinholes, and rear cable entry-exit slots, it offers a neat, organized appearance. Suitable for various settings like home offices, TV stands, and gaming setups, this versatile box prevents tripping hazards and accidental disconnections. TWT Lee Silicone Coasters Set. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, the coaster set offers multipurpose functionality beyond traditional coasters. Designed for use with hot or cold drinks, it also serves as tripods, hot mitts, or small pot holders. Its soft, BPA-free silicone material ensures durability while protecting furniture from scratches, stains, and water rings. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, the coasters come neatly stacked in a metal holder, keeping your space tidy and organized. Fun Touch Wall-Mounted Vanity Mirror. Featuring a rechargeable battery and double-sided magnification, the vanity mirror provides exceptional convenience and clarity. The 1x mirror offers a comprehensive view, while the 10x mirror highlights fine details for precise makeup application. Adjustable brightness and 3 light modes ensure perfect lighting in various settings. With a sleek, user-friendly design and Type-C charging capability, this mirror delivers practicality and elegance for home or travel use. Tybear Zen Garden Kit. Combining elegance and relaxation, the Zen Garden Kit includes a black wooden tray filled with quartz sand, bonsai trees, cherry blossom mini tree, bridge, swans, and stacking stones. Its high-quality MDF board construction ensures durability, while the realistic polyresin decor adds visual appeal. Promoting mindfulness and creativity, this Japanese-themed desk decor offers therapeutic relaxation through thoughtful arrangement and design. Ideal for home or office, it's a charming addition to any workspace. Oddistar Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Delivering cordless convenience with 360-degree rotatable design, the desktop vacuum cleaner efficiently reaches tight spaces for precise cleaning. Powered by 2 AA batteries lasting up to 90 minutes, it captures dust, hair, and debris with strong suction while maintaining low noise levels. Compact and ergonomic, it's perfect for cleaning keyboards, desktops, and various surfaces. Its handheld size and powerful suction make it a practical and portable cleaning solution for everyday use. ANNQUAN Pop-up Electrical Outlet. Engineered for convenience, the pop-up electrical outlet offers a seamless charging experience with 9 devices supported, including 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and a wireless charging panel. Its automatic retractable design ensures a clean, organized workspace, while the 800 joules surge protection guarantees safe usage. Easy to install with a sleek design, this outlet is ideal for kitchens, offices, and conference rooms, providing efficient power management. Transforming your workspace into a productivity powerhouse has never been this exciting. With these 20 incredible gadgets of 2025, you're all set to boost efficiency, comfort, and creativity like never before. Whether you're a remote worker, a creative professional, or simply someone who loves a well-organized setup, these tools are designed to make your work life smoother and more enjoyable. Ready to upgrade your workspace? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Your perfect workspace is just a few gadgets away.